Hey everyone, welcome back to the Miss Juliet English Channel. Today we are doing something super fun. I'm here with my good friend Romeo, who has kindly agreed to help me talk about, talking about yourself in English. Romeo, say hi.
Hello, beautiful people. It is me, Romeo. Juliet forced me to be here.
I didn't force you. I just told you there would be snacks.
Exactly, and here I am. Snacks motivate me. Also, I am very supportive.
Right. So today, we're going to show you how to introduce yourself, talk about your hobbies, describe your personality, explain your background, and more, all through a natural conversation. Easy English, friendly tone, simple vocabulary.
Which is perfect for me because I get confused by fancy words. Juliet uses big words sometimes, and then I just nod like I understand.
I know, I see the panic in your eyes.
I try to hide it, but it is always there. Anyway, shall we start?
Yes, so let's pretend we're meeting each other for the first time, even though we've known each other forever.
Sadly.
Hey!
I'm just kidding. I would never replace you, except maybe for a donut.
Romeo.
Okay, let's start.
Fine. So imagine we're strangers. The simplest way to start talking about yourself is with your name. For example, hi, I'm Juliet. Nice to meet you.
And I can say, hi, I'm Romeo. Nice to meet you too. But if I want to sound cool, can I say something like, yo, what's up? I'm Romeo.
You can, but maybe save that for casual situations, like if you're meeting someone at a skate park.
You think I look like I go to skate parks?
No, absolutely not.
Fair.
After your name, you can talk about where you're from. For example, I'm from London, or I'm from Mexico, or I'm from South Korea.
So I could say I'm from Verona, but also from my mother's womb?
No. No, Romeo, please don't say that to people.
Why not? It's true.
Because it sounds weird and dramatic and you.
Exactly my brand.
Fine, but for our listeners, let's keep it simple. Romeo, pretend you're introducing yourself to a new English class.
Okay. Hi, I'm Romeo. I'm from Italy.
Great! Now, after saying where you're from, you can talk about what you do. For example, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student, or I work in marketing, or I'm a chef.
What if someone does not have a job yet?
Then they can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm between jobs, or I'm a student, or I'm taking a break right now.
Can they say I am unemployed and sad?
They can, but again, maybe keep it positive.
So, like, I'm exploring new opportunities?
Yes! See? That sounds confident.
Wow, I made something sound confident. Look at me, growing as a person.
I'm proud. Romeo, introduce yourself like you're at a party and trying to look very cool.
I don't have to try to look cool.
Debatable. Fine, here goes. Hi, I'm Juliet. I teach English online, and I make videos to help people speak more naturally.
Nice. And I would say, hi, I'm Romeo. I'm a professional snack eater and part-time human.
No.
Yes.
Romeo.
Fine. Hi, I'm Romeo. I work in tech support. I help people fix their computers and phones, and sometimes I cry inside when they tell me they restarted the wrong device.
Much better.
I try.
So after name, location, and job, what else can you talk about? Hobbies. Everyone loves talking about their hobbies. For example, in my free time, I like reading, or I enjoy cooking, or I love playing basketball.
My hobbies include eating snacks, sleeping, and avoiding responsibilities.
Romeo.
But I'm being honest.
Okay, but let's make them sound more socially acceptable.
Fine. I enjoy trying new food. I like relaxing, and I appreciate free time.
That actually sounds nice.
See, you underestimate me.
Every day.
Ouch.
Now, another thing people often talk about is their personality, but keep it simple. You can say things like, I'm friendly, I'm shy, I'm outgoing, I'm patient, I'm funny.
I am definitely funny.
You're something. I'm not sure if funny is the word.
Wow. The betrayal. The disrespect.
I'm joking. You're very funny.
Thank you. I practice in the mirror.
That's concerning.
So, how would you describe your personality?
I'd say I'm friendly, patient, and creative.
And slightly bossy.
Romeo.
What? You told me to be honest.
Fine. Maybe a little bossy, but in a helpful way.
Sure. Helpful bossiness. That's your brand.
I'll accept that.
I would describe myself as funny, curious, and a little dramatic.
A lot dramatic.
A little dramatic.
Romeo, the last time you stubbed your toe, you fell onto the floor and whispered, "Tell my story."
That toe pain was life-changing.
Sure.
So, what's next? What else do people talk about when they introduce themselves?
They can talk about their likes and dislikes. Like, I like traveling, I like watching movies, I love coffee, I don't like waking up early.
I don't like spiders.
Big spiders or small spiders?
All spiders. I respect them, but from very far away.
Okay, here's mine. I like reading, I love teaching, and I don't like rude people.
Or cold weather. You complain every winter.
I do not.
Romeo, last winter you said the weather was attacking your soul.
It was very cold.
Okay, but attacking your soul?
It felt personal.
See? Dramatic.
Anyway, moving on.
Where are we moving? To your childhood trauma?
Romeo.
I'm joking. Continue.
Another thing people sometimes talk about is their goals. For example, my goal is to learn English, or I want to travel the world, or I want to get healthier.
My goal is to become a millionaire.
That's a big goal.
I believe in myself. And I also believe in lottery tickets.
I think you need more than belief for that.
Fine. A realistic goal. I want to improve my English and meet new people.
Much better. See? You're great.
I know.
So, how can learners practice talking about themselves?
Good question. The best way is to use simple sentence starters, like I am, I'm from, I live in, I work as, I study, I like, I enjoy, my hobby is, I want to.
My hobby is eating.
That is not a hobby.
It is if you do it with passion.
Oh my God. Juliet, I feel like many English learners get shy when talking about themselves.
That's true, but it gets easier with practice. And they don't have to be perfect. Just being clear is enough.
Can we give some full examples? Like full introductions?
Yes, let's each give a complete example.
You first.
Okay. Hi, I'm Juliet. I'm from the United Kingdom, and I teach English online. I enjoy reading, dancing, and learning new things. I'm friendly, patient, and a little perfectionistic. My goal right now is to help more people feel confident speaking English.
Very professional. Now, my turn. Hi, I'm Romeo. I'm from Italy, and I work in tech support. I like cooking, watching funny videos, and discovering new snacks. I'm curious, a bit dramatic, and I try to be funny. My goal is to travel more and improve my English.
Perfect.
Romeo, what if someone has a boring life? What do they talk about?
Nobody has a boring life. They can talk about small things, like what they do every day or something they enjoy. Even simple things like I like walking or I love music or I enjoy quiet time.
Quiet time? What is that?
Something you don't understand.
Hey!
Another tip, keep your answers short when you first meet someone. Don't give your whole life story.
So don't say, I was born at 4:32 in the morning and the doctor sneezed when I arrived.
Exactly. No one needs that information.
But it's special.
No.
Juliet, what about when someone asks, tell me about yourself? Many learners freeze.
Yes, great point. They can follow a simple structure. 1, name. 2, where you're from. 3, what you do. 4, a hobby. 5, a personality trait. 6, a goal.
So like, hi, I'm Romeo. I'm from Italy and I work in tech support. I like cooking, I'm curious, and I want to travel more.
Exactly. Simple, short, easy.
Juliet, I have a question. What if someone does not want to talk about themselves?
Then they can talk about their interests or their day or their plans. They can say, I prefer not to talk about that in a polite way.
So basically, don't be rude.
Yes.
Juliet, how do people talk about their family? That is part of talking about yourself.
True. They can say things like, I have one sister, I have 2 brothers, I'm an only child, I'm married, I'm single, I live with my parents.
Or, I have a very annoying cousin.
Do you?
Yes, you.
I'm not your cousin.
But you are annoying sometimes, so it still works.
Wow.
You walked into that one.
Fine. When talking about your family, keep it simple and positive.
Unless your family is dramatic like mine.
Romeo, every time your family has dinner, someone shouts.
That means we love each other.
That is not what it means.
Anyway, moving on.
You can also talk about your daily routine when you introduce yourself. Like, I wake up at 7. I go to work. I exercise in the evening. I cook dinner. I watch a show before bed.
My daily routine is wake up, complain, eat, work, eat, complain more, sleep.
That is not a routine. That is chaos.
It works for me.
I think we need to get you a life coach.
Probably.
Another thing people can mention is their fun facts, something interesting or unique.
Like, I can wiggle my ears.
You can?
Yes,
Ew, stop doing that.
it is my gift.
Okay, well, for our listeners, fun facts can be simple, like I love animals, I collect magnets, I can play the guitar, I'm afraid of heights.
Or, I once ate a whole pizza by myself.
That is not a fun fact. That is concerning.
It was a personal achievement.
Sure.
Romeo, I feel like we are teaching a lot today.
Yes, but it's fun. And easy English helps everyone understand.
True. And I like talking about myself. I'm very good at it.
Yes, you are.
Romeo, what if someone wants to sound confident but simple?
They can use phrases like, I'm excited to be here. I'm happy to meet you. I'm learning English. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Nice. Can I try? I'm excited to eat snacks.
That is not the context, Romeo.
It is always the context for me.
Another important thing, you don't have to talk fast. Slow and clear is best.
Yes. When I talk fast, Juliet hits me with the slow down face.
It's a skill.
A scary one.
Oh, stop. Anyway, let's practice a long example. Romeo, pretend you're at a job interview.
Oh, no.
Just try.
Fine. Hello, my name is Romeo. I'm from Italy, and I have 5 years of experience in tech support. I enjoy solving problems and helping people understand technology. In my free time, I like cooking and watching movies. I'm friendly, patient, and always ready to learn. My goal is to grow in this company and improve my skills.
That was excellent.
I feel proud.
You should.
Your turn. Pretend you're meeting a group of English learners.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Juliet. I'm from the United Kingdom. I'm an English teacher and content creator. I love helping people feel confident when they speak English. In my free time, I enjoy reading, dancing, and exploring new ideas. I'm creative, patient, and very passionate about teaching. I'm excited to learn together with you.
Perfect! See, talking about yourself can be simple and fun.
Yes, and learners can practice a little every day.
And if you don't know what to say, just talk about snacks.
Romeo, not everyone is as snack-obsessed as you.
They should be. It makes life better.
But seriously, the more you practice talking about yourself, the more natural it becomes.
And the more confident you feel.
Exactly.
Romeo, should we give a final recap?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, friends, here's a quick recap. When you talk about yourself in English, you can talk about your name, where you're from, where you live, your job or studies, your hobbies, your personality, your likes and dislikes, your goals, your fun facts, your family, your daily routine.
And remember, keep your sentences simple. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just enjoy the conversation.
And practice. Practice in the mirror, practice with a friend, or practice with your pet goldfish.
Your pet goldfish cannot correct your English.
But they listen. Very supportive.
Okay, well, for our listeners, thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the Miss Juliet English Channel.
And tell us in the comments, how would you introduce yourself?
We want to read your introductions, and Juliet will reply to every single one.
Romeo, don't promise things for me. Too late.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.